Hi, I'm Carlos, and today I'm here to practice some hotel vocabulary. Let's begin. The following words describe cleaning articles: air fresher, garbage, trash bag, brush, shampoo, bucket, waste basket, laundry detergent, sponge, rubber gloves, dishwasher, dryer, wash, mop, bleach, iron, dust, amenities, bathrobe, blankets, dirty, pillowcase, sheets, toilet paper, and towels. The next words are common areas: entrance, lobby, front office, elevators, banquet hall, swimming pool, lounge. The next words mean are furniture. The next words describe furniture: table, chairs, fridge, cooker, sink, washing machine, wardrobe, curtains, lamp, sofa, coffee table, bookcase, and an extra that I like to add are services: laundry service, housekeeping, and air conditioning. Well, that was all for. Well, this is it. Thank you for hearing me speak. Well, that's it. Thank you for clicking on this video and see you next time. Goodbye.